Welcome to another episode, Roofing It Right with Dave and Wally. Obviously, I'm Wally, and Dave, I'm not sure where he is today, but we're going to go over some EPDM accessories. So today, we have an inside-outside corner patches, which I'm going to go over how to do an inside corner. So I've already taken the liberty and primed this prior to this, just save a little time with our GAF TPO primer. We have two options. We have the can primer, and we also have our spray primer. You can use either one in this situation. Okay. So I've already got this primed. Right now, our inside-outside corner EPDM patches are 7x9. So what I've done is this corner right here, how this is going to work. One corner is going to wrap around the corner 3 inches. I'm going to form what we call a pig ear. Once that's done, I'm going to put that in, roll it. I have to come back, and once it's all set, I'll have to primer it because I'm going to bring another patch right into the corner to cover the pig ear. I've already got a primer. We're going to set this corner in here. So I've went ahead and made some tick marks. So again, this is 9 inches long or wide this way, if you will. So what I did, I came in on this corner, I measured at 6 inches, I made a little tick mark. So that's going to allow 3 inches to go around. So it's going to look nice and good, right? So we have a release liner on the back. We're going to peel this off. This side is what's going to be stuck to the roof into the primer. We also have a protective coating here on top. That has to come off before you install the corner. Now, again, there's these little diamonds on here. So you have to be aware when you're stretching this or forming this, you want to maintain that pattern. If the diamonds disappear when you're conforming this to whatever you're going over, that means you're stretching it too much. All right, peel this off. So I'm going to go 3.5 inches from this angle chain. It's going to be up and 3.5 inches onto the deck. And then this corner is going to wrap around 3 inches. Fold it. Bring this to the corner. Again, making sure our angle change is nice and tight. Tight in this corner. Again, I'm going to form what kind of guys in the industry call like a pig ear, if you will. Okay. Get my roller. Again, we have T-joint areas here we want to pay special attention to. What I have to do now, once I have this done, my next patch, I have to prime this pig ear, set it to itself. This patch is going to come in here and set from here out. So I'll go ahead and get this area primed. Okay, so I've got this corner primered. Once I've got it done, I primered this side of it because we have to butter this corner to cover up this pig ear. Now remember, I went around, this is 6 inches from this corner here, and this wraps around 3 inches. These patches are 7x9, so you can do one or two things. You can use the entire patch, but now I'm going to have 9 inches from this corner out versus 6 inches, or you can cut it down so it'll look uniform. It's whatever you decide to do is fine with us, okay? Me, I cut it down, made it look more uniform. Again, we're going to pull the vinyl off the back, just like we did on that one. Pull the protective cover off the front. Again, remember the diamond pattern. We don't want to overstretch that. Fold this in half, so I'm going to be 3.5 inches up from the angle change and 3.5 inches out onto the deck. I'm just going to butt it right into this corner to cover up that pig ear. Making sure the angle change is nice and tight. Once that's done, take my roller. You really want to try and see the outline of that underlying patch underneath this one. And also the outline of this pig ear. So again, colder weather, again, we're 40 degrees and rising is the temperature restrictions for it's not really the tape, it's more or less the primer. But in colder conditions, you might have to take a heat gun, some type of heat source, and actually put a little heat to it and make it a lot easier for you to conform to that corner. Once that's done, you're going to take your FlexSeal, caulk around the entire patch. Stay tuned for other videos at gaf.com/roofingItRight.